Okay, you're on camera. Go over there. How you doing?
How you doing there?
Good.
Good. Gas track's coming next.
Oh yeah? All right. Yeah? Did you hear what he said? You got it, buddy. I thought you were going to throw it up in the air.
I could do that. I could do that. If we have Amtrak coming back.
Yeah, he said an Amtrak was coming next.
Bye,
You
guys.
see that? That's the train engineer right there.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
He's walking over to the train, so they're waiting there for him.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
That's the first time we ever got to see that. Let's get it zoomed out. Oh, he's already gone. Well, they don't waste any time. Time is money, buddy.
Bye, guys.
All right, look at that dirty face.
Next time, I'm going to throw this up in the air.
Yeah? Is that the freight train coming? You hear that?
Yeah.
Boy, that usually we can hear him coming. That got loud quick.
We'll see you in whatever this.
Oh, there you go. You hear? He must have just revved his engine up because it just turned down there. So hold on here.
Sounds like his engine's broke down.
I think he just revved it up so he could go faster.
Well, by the way, do not check your camera in the truck because there's no worker
Well,
here.
check it out, buddy. That Amtrak's going to be coming on this close track right here. Here, you go ahead and take this. Here, go ahead and get your shoe on. See if I can get this zoomed in on the bend. Listen to that, he's shutting down. He shut his engine down just now.
He just shut his engine down that fast. Look,
That definitely didn't,
this shows you how big this place is. That guy's like my finger tall now, all the way
yeah,
up
he's
there.
way down there, isn't he? Yeah, he's got quite the walk over there.
Yeah.
There, I see the lights. Oh, I don't have the track on. There he is, he's on the lights. So, usually the Amtrak doesn't wait for the freight trains, but that sounded like an Amtrak engine. It didn't sound like a freight train
shut his
engine.
lights off.
I wonder if,
He just shut his
Yeah.
lights off.
and that's a red light over there, so he's definitely waiting.
He just shut his.
What do you think, Johnny? That sounded like an Amtrak engine. It didn't sound like a freight train engine.
Oh, yeah, that's an Amtrak engine. And
Oh, yeah.
This guy's going slow and he shut off his lights.
That's definitely Amtrak.
That guy's
Huh.
like the size of my fingernail now.
Here, let's check him out.
It kind of sounded like a freight train.
Well,
A little bit.
let's get in here, see if we can see him. There he is. He's got a long way to walk. Looks like he's just getting to the electronic
freight
box.
train.
No, he's past the electronic
That's a freight-
box.
Hold on. Hold on. Switch to the Amtrak.
Hold on just a second, buddy.
And
Zoom this out. Yeah. So,
he looks like he's carrying freight train cars.
here, you go ahead and take this camera.
Yeah, that's a.
Like an Amtrak engine, but maybe it's not.
Don't get too close.
Oh, there you go.
Now he shut his lights off again.
Amtrak tracks usually don't wait for freight trains.
Now he sounds like he's moving with his lights off. Hold on. He's carrying freight cars.
He's got freight cars?
Yeah. He's
So maybe it's a freight train.
sounds like a freight train. Oh
Maybe
look,
it's a
he
freight
shut off
train.
his light. He shut off his lights now.
Huh.
And got another.
Well, this guy over here has red lights, so maybe both of these trains have to wait for the Amtrak to come.
Oh, it's gonna come.
How do you like that?
Eh.
Hey, that makes sense, John. Look at this. This one's on the close track. This one's on the far track. So if they're both waiting for the Amtrak, then the Amtrak has to come on the far track and then has to switch over to the close track. That's what's going on.
I
here,
wish
bud.
we could just move this and onto the other truck, but we can't do that right now.
So both of these have to wait for the Amtrak.
Did you like it when I I'm gonna start filling up my shoe again, and
Okay.
then I'm gonna throw it up in the air this time.
That's cool. You want to stop your video?
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.